Why should your kids follow your directions? I want to hear, raise your hand. You're not going to follow into your door, just raise your hand. I want to hear from you as adults. Why should your kids follow your directions? Yes, ma'am?
To keep themselves safe and others.
Okay, to keep themselves safe and others. Okay, got it. Do they care? Okay, that's fine. Oh, that was great. That was like, she's like, hey. Okay, that's awesome. That's beautiful. Like, how many of you, remember when you were younger, you played on the playground? How many of you ever went on the swing? So you needed somebody behind you, right? Because that was, so we had, like, you went to the playground, you had the swinger that was on the swing. Maybe I should change that. Okay. And then behind you, like in every playground, you had the pusher, right? Yeah, now I'm thinking about that one too. So you have the pusher and you have the swinger. And the pusher's job is to do what? Push. So they're doing that. And then some kids go, oh, slow down. And then other kids, how do you get off the ride?
Jump off.
Right. Do you jump off in the middle or at the highest possible fulcrum? When you're like this, when you get to this point. Now, do the kids care about how they're going to land? No. All they're doing is pure joy until they land this way and this pops out. And while their shoulders out, you're looking at them and they're just like, and then because you go, because you're my job, I mean the kid, and then they go, oh, I'm supposed to freak out. Ah! How many of you had a kid that runs, falls down, no one's around, they get back up? Yeah. Okay, valid for us adults. So what else? We want them to be safe. 100%. Do they care? I didn't care. My dad took me to a pro wrestling school so I would get in the ring to get hurt, to show me that I wouldn't like it. I went to the wrestling ring, I hit the ropes, I took a bump, I did a handstand, whatever. I stood up, and he said, the look on your face, when I was like, I want to do this forever. And he went, oh, don't tell your mother. So I went that. So. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.